again. Okay, we are trying to do things. Okay, someone said you're true. So what you're trying to do is trying to like get your work ready at some point, put it in a multi-line text, put it in a variable in that process, use the F strings to print it out. So someone said he or she is done. That's Ronnie. So let me tell you what to do again in case you have issues at some point. Let me share it again. So what they're trying to tell you right now is try as much as possible to do this. What are you doing? You're going to put this in a text. For example, I told you what to use. I told you to use a variable called myself. Use a variable called myself. Put it in a multi-line text that's using the triple quotes. By the time you put anything here, say tell us about a little things about yourself on a new line, maybe 3 or more lines. And when you're printing out, use the F strings to print it out. That's what I want to do. This question is going to cover how well you understand variables and how well you understand triple quotations and how well you can use the F strings as well. So that's what we are going to do. You have just 5 minutes to make that possible. If you don't understand what to do, let me know so that I can explain it again and again for you to get what you're looking for. So your output should come out like this. Your output should come out like this. It's going to come out like this. For example, maybe you're trying to explain yourself. It should come out using the F string. I don't know if anybody understands what I want you to do, or should I just do it for you guys to see? Daniel, do you understand what I want you to do?
Yes, sir.
What did you say?
Ruby, do you understand what I say you should do?
Yes, sir.
Tioluwani, do you understand what I say you should do?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have some few minutes to make that possible, and let's see how well you can do it.
I don't understand what you said.
It's okay not to understand what I say you should do. I'm going to explain it very soon when the time elapses. So what I want you to do is try to put things in a variable and print out that thing as it is in your variable. You have done the first one already, so if you want to add a new cell to your no, you don't need a new notebook, Daniel. That's Daniel. Just click on that code. There's a code, there's text. Click on that place that they're writing, then you can see code and text. Just below the file, edit, view. Yes, click on it. Yes. You can see that you have created a new cell. Any amount you want, you can always use that. Define a variable. It could be, name that variable myself. Put it in the value of the variable should be triple quotations that actually that's a multi-line text. You can use it as you want. Put anything you want to put in that particular triple quotation and use the F strings to print it out. Your time is remaining 3 more minutes. But don't worry if you don't understand, like Ronnie has said that he doesn't understand what I am talking about. I'll always find a way to help you out and try to show you what was expected of you. Okay, so don't worry about it. Don't feel terrible. It's okay to forget some things. That's why I'm doing a revision, a quick revision, so that we can get to master it again. Oh, wow, that's wonderful. I just got it done from Tioluwani. I would like to see your screen very soon, Tioluwani. Please share your screen. I'd like to see what you have done. I just got it done from you, and let's see how well you understood the assignment and the classwork we were trying to portray as well. Okay, so I'm going to your screen. Tioluwani, please share your screen. Please,
Sure. Sir, I didn't hear what you said because my audio is
5. Yes, it's okay. Tioluwani, what did you say about screen sharing?
You won't allow me to share.
Okay. All right. Try it again. Ruby, try it as well. Please share your screen. Those ones that have just said done, please share your screen. I would like to see what you have done. Yes, it's okay not to understand. Actually, Daniel, it's okay. I'm going to explain it after once it's 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to Tioluwani's screen first. He said she had done. I think it's the network that is taking its time, but okay, well.